In this video, we will explore about common cold and its best home remedies and natural cures. The common cold is a viral infection of your nose and throat caused by mainly rhinoviruses. It's usually harmless, although it might not feel that way. So here are top 10 best home remedies and natural cures available that will relieve you from common cold and cough. Besides treating common cold and cough effectively, these home remedies are also free from any side effects. 1. Ginger tea. Ginger tea not only tastes good, but also helps in treating common cold and cough. The tea helps in drying running and dripping nose, thus expelling phlegm from the respiratory tract. Among various health benefits of ginger, it is known to soothe common cold and speeds up the recovery process. 2. Mixture of lemon, cinnamon, and honey. Another effective home remedy for common cold and cough is a mixture of lemon, cinnamon, and honey. This syrup effectively cures cold and cough. How to make the syrup? In half spoon of honey, add a few drops of lemon and a pinch of cinnamon. Have this syrup twice a day to cure common cold and cough. 3. Flax seeds for cold and cough. Flax seeds are another effective remedy to cure common cold and cough. You can boil flax seeds until it thickens and strain it. Add a few drops of lime juice and honey to it and consume the mixture for cold and cough relief. 4. Lukewarm water. Drink lukewarm water frequently as it helps in fighting against common cold, cough, and sore throat. Warm water reduces inflammation in the throat and helps in replenishing the fluids and infection out of the body. 5. Milk and turmeric. An essential ingredient found in almost all Indian kitchens, turmeric has a strong antioxidant which helps in treating many health problems. Turmeric mixed in warm milk is a popular and effective way to fight against cold and cough. Drinking a glass of warm turmeric milk before sleeping helps in faster recovery from cold and cough. 6. Gargle with salt water. This is an age-old therapy that effectively treats cough and cold. Adding turmeric in this salt water is also beneficial. 7. Honey and brandy. Brandy is known to keep your chest warm as it increases body's temperature, and mixing honey in brandy helps in fighting a cough. Just a teaspoon of brandy mixed with few drops of honey improves cough and common cold. 8. Spiced tea. Add tulsi, ginger, and black pepper while preparing your tea, and this spiced tea is great for your health. These 3 ingredients play an important role in fighting a common cold and cough. 9. Honey, lime juice, and warm water. This is a perfect dose to improve digestion and for the circulation system. Adding honey to lime water is the best solution in controlling common cold and cough. 10. Amla. Being a strong immunomodulator, amla fights against many diseases. Eating 1 amla regularly provides many health benefits as it ensures the proper functioning of the liver and improves blood circulation. If you find this video informative and useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to get future video updates. Thanks for watching.